Cade verse. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What are you going to unbox today?
I'm Project Gold.
Robots.
Now we don't need these distractions, don't we?
Okay, throw them somewhere.
No, I'll just put them right here. Because we already have distractions. Where did those distractions go?
Here.
No, come and give them. Okay. Now we're going to start hitting this thing up.
Don't take him out. Remember, you got to fill up the water.
Oh yeah.
You can take his tool out, but don't take him out.
What are you putting the water in there for?
To get the rust off.
Need more water?
Yeah, I need more water.
Pass me your jug.
Pass the jug.
Do we have to you go?
Maybe agitate it a little bit. A little bit of a shake.
And just gonna fill it up. Oh. Look, we got all the white stuff, okay, now.
Sure.
Oh!
I think he's still got rust on him.
Got a little bit more rust, okay?
A bit more of a wiggle. Yeah, that's the way. Alright, have another look. Oh, wow, this one looks different. No, I think his rust's gone. He's just silver, is he? Is there any rust left on him?
There is.
Okay, just dip him in there and give him a little bit of a shake. Alright, that'll do.
Now, this is pretty cool, guys.
Alright.
Turn him around so the camera can see
Now
you.
show us what you got.
I think we're going to have a different boat.
Okay, now where's your X tool?
Here.
Quick, unbolt him. Alright, hey, I think you went the wrong way with the thing.
Pretty good. Now, let's see what package we got in this. Now we got one massive one.
Open the massive one up first,
What for?
because that'll be his parts.
Use your tool.
I can just.
Just pull it apart then, you did it last time.
Oh, we got the
A
yellow one.
yellow one, wow.
Oh, wait a minute.
Is that the one that looks a bit like Bumblebee?
Oh, the silver one is the red one.
You've got the yellow one by the look of it.
Okay, now let's see. Yellow one. How's the right yellow? Oh no. He's missing one. I'll take your head off. Then put you in. Yeah, like this. Here you go. Here you go. There. There. There we go. Activate. There we go. he's going to have, won't be pretty fun, isn't it? It'll be pretty fun for our collection.
Yeah, but mix and match a little bit now.
We can actually mix and match, so we can pull him apart and put it on and mix and match.
But maybe in another video.
No, we can do it in the same video. Oh, please can somebody get shoulder pads on? These shoulder pads.
Sorry about that. Didn't get stuck to it.
Now, how do you put this on?
So what's this piece? This is arm.
Yeah.
So we've got a flat piece again. Okay, another flat piece.
Okay.
Like that.
Now we have to put his shoulder pads on. His other arm is in here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. We don't want to open that one yet.
Alright, so do you want help with the shoulder pads or can you do them?
I can't do that.
That's the way.
Well, these.
This one's a little bit tricky to put on. There you go.
Mommy,
Your X tool and open the other one.
just like do something. Like. I see me doing this. See me doing this. Oh, look! Oh! Oh, man. Oh, it's got sand in it. Again. The power cord. There. So look! Here we go! Let's look here, Zava!
You were right.
Here we go! This is
You might need to bust into another side.
busting! We're busting into this. We're busting in. Here goes our we have to get this guy depleted. I just love this guy. I just love this guy. Oh, Mommy, I opened it.
Is it the gold one?
There's the blue one.
Oh, a different colour. That's still good.
It's actually no. Oh no! It's actually goes in a different one.
That goes in your one.
Try it. You should power him up. Alright. Show everyone at home.
Well,
Turn him around so everyone can see him. Sorry, Mum. Put your hand down a little bit. Ooh.
now what?
I like that.
Now get me that one,
Please.
please. I see these. No, I'll take this off. I'll take this off. You're like, oh, put this on here. Let's move this arm off to this arm. Here we go. I gotta pop this off. Go.
Switch their brains out.
Yeah, we gotta switch their brains out. His head is super weakness. Look what we can do. He's going to get weakness. Look at weakness. You see how these shoulder pads? There's Sparky. We're going to put this arm on him. You see this? You see me? You see me? We're going to switch his power. I'll get this power cord out.
Powering down.
Yeah, because we're going to put the purple power cord in it. Power cord out. How do I get the blue power cord out?
Same way you got the purple one out.
Here we go. We're going to power this guy up with the blue power cord. Let's go power up with the blue power cord. He's powered up. I'm going to give him this arm. Go this way. Look at these. Go give him some. Look, we're gonna mix him all up. Mix him. One minute. These guys are gonna be pretty cool. These guys are gonna be pretty cool. Whoa, cause this guy, these. Look, we're going to switch the helmets in a minute. Switch the helmets in a minute. Get this guy's helmet off. I'm going to switch it to this guy's helmet. Look at this. Party time. Party. What is a party going on here? Got Brina. We got pretty cool guy. Look at this.
I think his ponytail's stuck.
Now look at these shoulder pads. We'll take these shoulder pads off. Switching to these shoulder pads. This guy's gonna be awesome. This one's gonna be awesome. This guy's awesome. Awesome. Oh man, this guy's cool. He's pretty cool. Pretty helpful.
Can you turn him around so I can see him?
Now we're going to this. You see this? I'm gonna make you look like him. Look, he's pretty cool. It's getting pretty cool. Look how cool he's looking. This is like a new hair. be so cool if we just could do this. Could just take this arm off, take this head off, and take this off. Take this arm off, and take this off. Now look. Scar will have the gold head. Scar will have his silver head. Now he'll have his silver head back. He'll have his gold head back. Get this out of me. Have to take this because it's pretty not my arm. How do I take these legs off? Because they're on my legs. Oh, it's not so stuff. Go right. Here we go. Look what we got. Look who we got, Mommy, now.
He's coming along good. Switched him around. You have to give him a new name.
Yeah, because he switched, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
He's switching. He's switching nuts. Because he can put this. Got to take this power cord out. Take this power cord out. Power cords. We just got this awesome guy like this. Now nobody will know. Look! Look how battery I think it is. Look how I think these are. They're so awesome. Look at their power ups. Which we want to put these power ups in. Power ups give them the energy to put them. Look, Mommy. Look what you can do this one. Like, just screw him back. See this thing? See this thing?
I think your bolt's over there.
Now give me the bolt. Need a bolt.
There's the bolt.
Can't get it. Give it to me.
Use the force.
How's this not screwing in?
Well, you must not have it lined up with where it's supposed to screw into.
What doing? Why does this not work? Why won't it this do?
Would you recommend that the boys and girls at home borrow some of these?
No, I couldn't.
You don't think they'd have fun with them?
They would not be able to buy these.
I think they
Do
can
you
get
want-
them at the shop.
Do you want to keep them all for yourself, do you?
Yeah.
Mum got those ones from Big W.
Well, who got these?
Mum?
Mum picked them up for you.
Well, then look what we got. Now,
Maybe thank everyone for watching.
we'll take him off
Cade.
and put this.
Cade.
You see? Yeah.
Cade. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Yes.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.